Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and I'm sitting underneath my lychee tree right here. And we have an air layer here. And an air layer is basically where we try to create roots at this portion of the tree so we can cut this branch off and we can get a clone of our tree, which will already be a mature tree. So it's a way of propagating your mature trees without having to, buy a new tree or or start a seed. You're literally going to get a brand new tree that's a clone. It'll produce exactly the same fruit as your mature tree, and you're going to get it for free. So I'm looking through here. I feel like I see a root in there already, but it looks like it's broken. One thing about lychee roots is they are insanely delicate. Oh, I've got roots coming out here too, but I'm afraid of breaking them. Got a root right through this plastic here. I don't want to break these roots off. Lychee roots are so delicate. We're gonna cut this off. You might even end up with a little bit of plastic in the roots, but that's okay. I just don't want to break that off there. And let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. We've got a root ball. And we're gonna break some roots here probably with this. We have to break a little bit of roots off, but I'm gonna bring you around to the other side of this root ball because that's really where you can see the roots that we have here. So these are the roots right here. So all we're gonna do now, we're gonna get our snips. I'm gonna put you guys right here so you can see what I'm doing. And we're just gonna snip this off right about here. Probably should get the bigger snips for this, but there we go. We have a brand new lychee tree, and we can plant this in a pot, and we have a new tree that will grow, and it's actually even has some flowers on it right now. All right, hope you learned something there. Any questions, put in the comments. All right, see you guys, bye.